A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. I am Anika Maheshwari of Class 7th Holyoke.
I am Ayansh Gupta of Class 7th Lavender.
I am Tanush Gupta from Class 7th Lamium.
And I am Drishti from Class 7th Lavender.
Your broadcasters of the day. We are here to update you on the latest happening around the world.
Time for national news. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah returned to Jammu and Kashmir to oversee relief efforts after flash floods affected Rajauri district, while rescue and rehabilitation operations continue. The Delhi government announced that 15 lakh national flags will be distributed ahead of Independence Day, with around 2 lakh flags to be sourced from self-help groups. The Indian Medical Association has announced that 24-hour statewide OPD shutdown on July 20, demanding stronger protection for healthcare workers following an assault on doctors. President Murmu has departed for official state visits to Moldova, North Macedonia and Romania to strengthen India's diplomatic and economic ties with the three countries.
Time for international news. Spain's largest wildfire has burned thousands of hectares and forced large-scale evacuations as firefighters continue efforts to contain the blaze. A Canadian law has been suspended for 6 months after using fabricated legal citations generated by ChatGPT in a court case. South Korea's AI-driven stock market is increasingly influencing global investor sentiment as major semiconductor companies continue to shape technology markets worldwide. The United States has launched a new wave of airstrikes against Iranian military targets after 2 American service members were killed in Jordan.
Now time for sports news. Hockey India has named its 20-player squad for the FIH Women's Hockey World Cup. Midfielder Salima Tete will captain the team in the tournament beginning next month. India's PV Sindhu defeated Akane Yamaguchi to win the Japan Open 2026, becoming the first Indian to claim the tournament title. Spain and Argentina meet in the FIFA World Cup final at MetLife Stadium. The match features Lionel Messi aiming for another World Cup title, while Spain seeks its second World Cup triumph. India and England are playing the third and final ODI at Lord's. With the series level, England won the toss and chose to bat. The match is being closely watched as it could be a significant milestone in Rohit Sharma's ODI career.
Time for weather news. It is expected to be mostly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms and rain showers expected during the day. The temperature is forecast to reach around 32 degrees Celsius with a low of about 27 degrees Celsius overnight. Around 70% with periods of moderate rain possible.
That's all for today. We will write back tomorrow with all fresh updates. So, stay tuned with us. Thank you.